Hello Sundari. Today we're going to talk about this video, why start a facial massage after 30, Kansa Watch edition. Tap on the subscribe button, like and follow me over Instagram. This is a Kansa wand. It is a 5,000-year-old Ayurvedic facial tool. Kansa is a alloy made out of copper and tin with trace amounts of zinc. And these are marma points. These are exactly what we're going to try to stimulate today to get that lovely healthy glow. The Kansa wand is very round and doesn't really aggravate your skin at all since it's very smooth, but it does kind of skirt around on your skin. So we're going to start off with a clean face. Try to wear loose clothing, and for oil, do not ever apply acidic oils, only neutral oils. Lather on as much oil as you feel comfortable. First applying it on the chest, then we're going to do the neck. At the very end, you're going to apply this oil onto your face. You can choose whichever side is more comfortable to you. You can start with a smaller one. I'm going to start with a big one. The first movement is going to be a circular movement on your forehead. You're going to do it about 5 to 10 times clockwise. And then anti-clockwise. Once you're done with that, you're going to do a zigzag movement exactly as I'm showing you. And then when you reach your temple, then a circle. Another zigzag throughout your forehead. And then a circle on your temple. Then we're going to move towards our chest. You can completely leave this aside, but I like to do it. So it's going to be a zigzag motion throughout your chest, and you can bring it up towards the back side of your ear and just wiggle it in a circular motion. This is also extremely therapeutic. It feels brilliant, especially early in the morning, and it kind of takes away a lot of stress of everyday life just by doing this like 5 to 10 minutes a day. I also like to focus this on my neck. And since I have a lot of stress on my neck, I try to do different motions, and I love it, as you can see from my face, especially around like the back side. It's quite bad. So now what I'm doing is I'm just swiping it straight up, and around the back of my ear, I'm just circulating it. Again, on my neck, zigzag motions from one side to the other, and then a circle. There aren't really a lot of different patterns. You can do a circle, a zigzag, or a straight line. So the back of the neck is especially stressed out for me because I work on the laptop quite a bit, and it feels really nice. Then I'm going to do a tiny bit on my double chin. I know a lot of people can't really see it in videos, but it's there, guys, believe me. I zigzag it, and then I take it straight up the back of my ear and circular motions. Then I start off with the lip area. You can start with a circular motion or a zigzag motion. I just really like doing the circular motion. I feel like because I smile and I talk and I'm extremely expressive, my mouth, my jaw, the whole of my face just gets super stressed out. And when I do this circular motion massage, it just brings so much relief to my face. And then I'm going to take it a little bit close to my chin and do the circular motions there as well. Then I'm going to go towards the other side. Then I'm going to do a circular motion around my nose. This really helps if you're somebody that has sinus issues. If you feel like there's some congestion around your nose, this particular motion really helps in relieving a lot of stress around that area. Once I'm done on one side, I'm just going to repeat it on the other side. You can use both of your hands for this. It does take a little bit of practice, or you can use two if you really want to, but I just have this one. I kind of try to mix it up with zigzags as well as straight lines as well as circular movements. Then I like to swipe under my cheek and up and then a circle because I just felt super stressed out in that area. And obviously, how can we forget the under eye area? The great thing about the Kansa wand is that it does not burst your capillaries. You can try to be as hard with this as you possibly can, but it still will not affect your skin at all. I mean, unless you like go in it with like hammer and a chisel. But this is very, very smooth. As you guys can see, I really like to go underneath my cheekbone because, as I said before, I talk a lot, I smile a lot. We're going to do this infinity shape or a 8 when we are working around our eyes. This is extremely pleasant if you feel a lot of stress around your eyes, if you have a sinus issue or just bad eyesight. A lot of times this is very, very cooling also for people that have a lot of stress around the eyes. This just feels amazing. If you have stressed out eyes, you definitely need to try doing this. One negative thing I think about the Kansa one massage, I think it's definitely how addictive it is. It feels so great when you're doing it. Sometimes you keep on massaging your face for like more than 20 minutes and you don't want to stop because it feels so nice. Especially for me, I like to just poke the small side closer to my inner eye corner, and I just like to go in the socket and just work it around my eyebrows as well. As somebody that suffers from a lot of sinus pain most of the time, it's just fabulous. Okay, it feels so great. Then just for good measure, I just like to roll this around a little bit more. You don't really have to do this because we've already done it before. Sometimes I feel a lot of pressure around my cheeks, so I'm gonna go ahead and sculpt my cheeks even more, especially this area around my jaw. It just feels so locked sometimes, if that makes any sense. And I just like to go in with both my hands and get in there and just massage the knots and the stress out. It feels great, as you can tell. I look so relieved and my face feels great. My mind feels great and I feel super happy after doing this face massage every single day. It's just a beautiful experience. You guys need to definitely try it. One thing I missed out is that sometimes I like to do this around my ears as well. I'm not too sure if this is officially how you're supposed to do it, but I just go with the flow and see where exactly I feel more pressure and just work around that. So I try to do it around my ears, and then I also like to focus a little bit around my neck because it's just sometimes just super duper stressed out, you know. And as usual, I'm going ahead and going double dose on those eye circles. After you are done, you have to clean the wand with a clean cloth, and then you can also clean your whole face. If you have dry skin, you don't necessarily have to clean the oil away if it's a serum and all. But if you have oily skin, I would suggest that you clean your face with a cloth and then just wash your face. You see how this is a little bit gray? It's because most probably my face was a bit acidic. And this is what it looks like. I really hope you guys found this video useful. Please let me know in the comment section if you've used this. And that's about it. Bye.